Hi guys, welcome back to the Fago. In today's Fago, I'm gonna be doing a kill luncheon of every single long lesson on. I make talking with other people, so yeah. So I have favorites with ones my absolute favorite songs, and then amazing so songs the good but not my favorite. And yeah, Bob is the ones I love but like Alden Guggenhoff could be up here. Then you have other quickly contact I won't ship them, but they're not the launch out because I can get the most. She's okay as launch out again won't ship, but it's just the launch out I can get the leaks. And then for Geekboard launch out I couldn't remember. Because sometimes I couldn't remember songs. Called I can get them. Good. Okay, so they're gonna start with Upper Neck. So the first one is what makes it beautiful, which is a good song. But it's not my favorite, so I'm gonna pick in Bob. Because that can go with it. And then you have Could Be You, which is amazing, so I'm gonna put up here. Then for Luncheon, again, I'm gonna pick in Bob. More Than Less, I'll probably pick in Amazing. Up On Neck is a Bob, but it's not my favorite from that album. I Wish is probably also gonna Amazing. Call Me a Liar is a favorite, and then Taken is good. I won't is a favorite. Everything About You. One here. Again, nothing here probably gonna go in the bottom row, so. Same as Sage, I'll probably pick another actually. Same as Sleepy Connect. Summer Hawk, I'm gonna pick an Amazing. Sun Up is probably gonna be another. Moments. I feel like I'll get conflict if I pick in anything except from this box. See, so I'm gonna pick in Bob. Northern Volado gets all Na 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 is again all Not Sugar Kiss here. Probably put in the Bob either, even though it's not the exact when you hear the box. Okay. Now for my favorite one collection album, so that's where gonna be Hug Knock Pick Edition and my favorite. So the Hard Blackboard one was just amazing. Tessie we also play gonna mention. Lyco Sense is gonna be in the favorite. Come On is gonna be a Bob. Lost Force Kicks again, probably gonna pick in the Bob either. Harker Cock, SK Good, Lock Me, Kinsman Mend, I Work, Over Again, Bug For You, and They Go No Bookers. Summer Love is amazing. Ungulated actually, so yeah. She's Not a Fake, again gonna go in the favorites. Love Cure Fox is probably gonna go here. Also, this is not in any order, it's just when I put them in, so it's not like that's my favorite one collection on one up. Nobody Compares, I'll probably put in here. So one is I forgot, but it's not forgettable, so it's probably here, this one is like. So the best for net video probably also gonna put in Bob. So the Mother is gonna be amazing. Gianna is gonna be a Bob. Magnetic Memories can go in the amazing area. Your Eye is a favorite. Don't forget Where You Belong. Sean is actually one of my favorite songs, boy. Billy, I'll pick in Bob. Like now can go here. Like a bucket, I'm gonna pick in Oleg. So the Gok, I'll probably also pick in Bob. And then they have something Gig. Was Agonian a number, so I'm gonna pick Unforgettable because I can't remember that one. Like a White Lies is Oleg. Becker and Watch is probably also gonna be an Oleg. Why gonna go here is a Bob. Does he know? I love probably gonna pick an amazing and half a hack I will pick in or like moving on to 4, they're gonna go Yumagoro can go in amazing. Like a Kulon or also probably pick an amazing. Burger Boken Hawks go Leo pick in favorite. A keen Leo pick in amazing. Go Mickey is gonna go in favorite. Along with Phil's Gold. And then Night Kinsey's is gonna go in the favorite. Nook and Co is amazing. Same for the who I'm gonna pick in Bob. Stacey's going to also pick my favorite. So Compton Gomez is obviously amazing. And Cogs, he'll pick in Bob. Ginger Cake, he'll also pick in the Bob either. Yusen is alright. Once in the left is amazing. And Akma is I'm also gonna pick in favorite. And now they are moving on to making the EM. We have here Insel, which I will pick in amazing. Got Me Gone, you pick in amazing. Semi perfect. Infinity, you pick in favorite. End of the Day is also a favorite. And then if Actify, you pick in amazing. One Way Home, I can remember a bit of the song, but not a lot, so I'm gonna pick in Bob. Never Enough. It's like, it's good, but it's not my favorite. Oliver is probably my favorite one because I sing songs, so I'm gonna pick a favorite. Hooker Feeling is gonna go in amazing. Love You Goodbye. And then I Want to Like Your Song is a Bob. History is obviously gonna go in favorite. Temporary Fix, again, I can't remember that song, but I'll remember. I might just give the click okay, because nothing's gonna go in. And have Walking in the Wind. Is, I can't remember that song, and I'm gonna like on Kim Council or not. Wolves, I'm gonna pick in Bob. No, I'm gonna put Wolves in all like, I'm gonna be honest. And then AM, I will pick in all like. Like, not sure these other ones. Some of these actually should probably be in Take Me Home, but I forgot. So Market is one of my favorite songs from Take Me Home. Other Flexible, they'll put in Bob. Home, I'm gonna listen to Home ever. To the Market Ghibli is gonna go in amazing. Teenage Cockbug is gonna go in amazing. Gone, I have been listened to before. I haven't yet listened to a lot of this podcast songs. Then one way or other is obviously going to go into favorite. So this is my final Lumpkin. So yeah, let me know if I should do like anybody else. I'm gonna end up by going to the chef. This is my specific channel, but I'm gonna also take a look at how it has like a lot of songs and they're all probably gonna end up going in favorite, like if I'm being honest. So yeah. Okay, that's my final Lumpkin. Que non dicono Augustus when I asked him. Okay. Okay. Bye. Gå like I'm just and heck up, I'll book and get no fucking next time I'll book back once because next time. Bye.